Hello and welcome. Today's video is gonna be a fragrance unboxing video. Along with the unboxing, I'm going to be reading some information that came with this fragrance and some other information I found on their website. In 1760, in London, James Henry Creed founded the House of Creed, which fast became a favorite with the court of England. Victoria, Queen of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland, and Empress of India, succeeding George IV, appointed Creed as the official supplier. In 1854, under Empress Eugenie, the House of Creed moves to Paris and soon acquires success. Today, Oliver Creed has decided to bring the four winds and, across all 5 continents, the inimitable scent of his creations. Aventus for her marks the irresistible feminine counterpart to the legendary Aventus. Nearly 3 years in the making, this olfactory celebration of strong women was highly anticipated before its triumphant unveiling by the House of Creed. This fresh floral fragrance is inspired by some of history's most powerful women, empresses, queens, and heads of state, who were Creed clients, as well as modern women everywhere who confidently shatter glass ceilings. The Aventus for her spirit lives in every woman. She is poised with inner strength and radiance and leaves an indelible mark on all she touches. To be near her is to feel the presence of greatness. Creed Aventus for her fragrance profile. Floral, fresh, fruity, confident and irresistible. Top notes: Egyptian green apple, Pinkberries, Indonesian Patchouli, Italian Bergamot. Middle note: Bulgarian and Turkish roses, Indian sandalwood, styrax, musk. Base note: sweet peach, cassis, lilac, amber, ylang ylang. Each fragrance is created through Creed's 4,000 years old infusion technique. Ingredients are weighted, mixed, macerated, and filtered all by hand in the highest tradition. After the great success of the masculine fragrance Aventus, launched in 2010, to celebrate Creed's 250th anniversary, Creed decided to create its female version Aventus for her, launching in June 2016. The new fragrance for women is said to be as compelling as its legendary masculine counterpart. The fragrance is available as a 30 and 75 ml eau de parfum glass bottle. The one I am presenting to you right now is a glass bottle of 75 ml eau de parfum. A little bit more about the House of Creed. The infusion technique, now abandoned by the industry, enables Oliver Creed, craftsman lover of standards on quality, to preserve the originality and the aura of his perfume creations. That is how Creed House still manufactures its own infusion of vanilla and iris. All its compositions are weighed by hand and then mixed, macerated, and filtered in the traditional way, for some of his most prestigious collections in the purest tradition of his founder, James Henry Creed. Oliver Creed, the sixth of such name, remains as an exceptional creative master perfumer who himself composed each new fragrance of a house that has remained in the family for over 250 years and will remain so still for a long time, according to his own wishes. I am so happy and excited to add this beautiful Creed Aventus for her Parfum to my collection. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.